afternoon, my dear friend. How are you?
I'm fine.
Me also, I'm fine. What is the name of your school?
The name of my school is New Vision Ntongwe Parents School.
Thank you very much. The name of your school is New Vision Ntongwe Parents School. And I would like to ask you to share with us what you studied today. Are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Yes, you start.
Good afternoon, my dear friend. My name is Articulous. Up together with Gaza and Higwa. We are going to discuss about the natural environment. Let us welcome the policy. Thank you for giving me opportunity to talk about the natural environment. Natural environment created by God. Example of natural environment are the following: rivers, forest, valley, and lake. And also a very important like attract tourism, help our country to be developed, help plants to grow away.
Thank you. See you next time.